Okay guys, so this is impact.com. So I'm going to quickly explain to us how it works. So firstly, you click on the sign in link there. So once you click on the sign in link, you'd be expected to create an account. Yeah, if you have an account already, just go ahead and log in. Okay, but if you don't have an account, you will be expected to create an account. You want to create an account as a partner. If you actually own a brand and you also want to host your stuff here on Impact, so you run your affiliate marketing stuff directly here, then you can go ahead and do that as a brand. If you own an agency, you want to also work with them as an agency, then you go ahead and click on agency. But for you who is an affiliate marketer, you want to register as a partner, so kindly click on partner. I'm going to just open that at the side here, so you just see how it looks like. So all you just need to do is fill up the form. Once you fill up the form, just click on the sign up button there below. Yeah, click on the sign up button below and go ahead and do your stuff. So yep, so once you're done with that, you go ahead and sign up. I'm going to just ignore that section for now. So let's quickly go to login. So I'm expecting to go ahead and create your account. So once you're done creating your account, just click on the login. Yeah, you might have series of issues trying to load that up easily when you're doing this with phone. You might have issues of reloading over and over and over. Okay, so but I'm going to just stop there. So go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this dashboard. Now for a small screen view, you'll be seeing it somehow like this, very small. Not this way exactly though, but at least you've seen something small. Yeah, so what I want to show us first is the brands, where we can see the different brands that exist here. Okay, so you click on the brands and then you go ahead to check out the different things that the brands have. Okay, but meanwhile I also want to log in to a new account I created, so we also see some of the necessary things we need to take note of. Okay, so once you have this open, you can see a lot of brands here. In this all brands tab, you get to see all the different brands that are on this platform. So if you have a brand in mind, to make it easier for you, instead of just scanning through, you can just search out the brand. Yes, for me I have two brands I'm marketing currently. The first one I'm marketing is Envato. Yeah, Elementor is actually a premium site for both design resources, websites, themes and templates, and a whole lot of other stuff for both graphics and web design. Okay, so I recommend this to fellow web designers who need themes, who need and graphic designers who need templates, who need the other design resources, who would want to use those stuffs for their work. Yeah. So what do you get with this? We have different forms of Envato here. We have Envato Sandbox element. We have Envato Elements, which is actually the main guy. Yeah, you have the Envato Market. You have the Place It by Envato. You have the Envato Element by Sandbox. So this is actually the main one I'm working with. So you can see the commission range is from $20 to $120. So you earn over $120 if you recommend someone who signs up for a year plan. You also earn $20 for someone who is just signing up for a month plan. So what do you do here? All you just need to do is click on the actual one and then go ahead and do your stuff. Now I can see this view because I'm already active here. So what will you see in your own case? I'm going to just pick another one so you see what you will see in your own case. When you come here, you will see apply. So instead of seeing the exact thing I'm seeing, you will see apply and you see the different stuffs they have as their terms. Now if you're opening this on phone, you might not see it exactly in same view like this, but you will still see same details. what you're concerned about here is the apply button. So click on apply and then wait for it to load up to see the actual form that you are supposed to use to apply. Okay, so you see the terms. You have the default payout is 50% of other sale amounts. Okay, and the actions are locked for 15 days. After the end of the month, they are tracked. So what this means is that when someone clicks on your link, that link that they clicked would remain active on their browser, except they go and clear their cookies. There's a cookie stored on their browser that would make it that within 15 days, once they go ahead and still open the site at all, whether using your link or without your link, you will still get paid because they have clicked your link in the first place. So that is how this works. That's how magically it works. So, and actions are invoiced on the 17th of the month after they are locked. So once it's locked for 15 days and is tracked, once it's tracked, it implies that they've noticed that somebody clicked your link and this person actually signed up and you've made so commission. So that's way it makes it far easier for them to keep track of what has happened already. So after on the 17th of every month, they get to create an invoice for that your action. Then the payout schedule, approved transactions are paid when they lock. So once it's locked, some of the payments take some specific days before you can get to receive them. The referral window, allowing winning referrals from parent actions within 400 days. Okay, this one is a different case. Allow referrals from clicks within 60 days. Okay. Alright. Okay, so the referral stuff I'm talking about, the referral window is actually a 60-day referral instead of just a 15-day lock-in. The lock-in is actually the time it takes for them to actually agree that this person has actually made a sale with you. So just check that out and see their whole term that they have for this. So new subscriptions for this very plan ranges from $20 to $50. You can check out all their terms if you have the strength for that. Check out the terms and know the ones that favors you and the ones that doesn't favor. What you need to know is, after checking out all the terms, you just need to tell them why you want to work with them. I want to work with your brand because I have a group of people who need your services, who need your products, and this is the means I actually intend to use for my marketing. I want to market directly on my WhatsApp because I have quite a lot of number of persons who need your product directly, that view my status on a daily. And then you click on apply. That's all. So once you've done that, you can do that for as many brands as you like. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and customize your link. To do that, to customize your link, you can click on that icon there and then choose the brand you want to pick their link. I already have one for Envato and I have one for Canva. Yes, so I have one for Canva just like this. So you can create your link by just clicking on create to generate a link for you and give you a random number. You can click on this and then customize it to fit you. You can create multiple links. So once I click on create, for example, I'm gonna just mark this. Alright, so once you have you need to create one, you can just select the one you want to create and then click on create. Once you click on create, it will be generated automatically. You generate something random for you. You can now click on the edit and go ahead and make the edit. So that is that. You can also check out the advanced stuff and then set up whatever extra thing you want to set up. That's optional, but all you just need is to get your link directly and then go ahead and copy your link and start doing the marketing. So once anyone clicks through it, on the home page you would be able to see the number of clicks you've gotten. You see the ones that have the ones that have taken action, actually, which have gone ahead to make payments. You can have clicks but they have not paid you for that click, so you can see that there, and you can then go ahead to receive your payments. Okay, yes, you can there are a whole lot of other things to set up here. For example, you want to receive your payment when your amount reaches 9,300. they pay you. For my account that I am using for this presentation, I set up the account to receive money in Naira directly, so they pay directly to my Nigerian account, my Nigerian bank account. You can use the dollar option. I am actually planning on creating one that will just accept dollar strictly, because I prefer the conversion for the dollar, because for the Naira they give me lower conversions, sometimes 380, 400 or thereabout. So but I would prefer to have a direct conversion that would be up to 450 or up to 500 or more, depending. So if I'm taking this, receiving my payments maybe with PayPal, I get to at least have an exchange rate of around 406 or 408 or 412, as the case may be. And if I also decide to withdraw my PayPal fund directly to a dollar card, then I should be able to withdraw the amount with the rate of 500 plus in Naira. So that's just that. So you can select as many brands as you want to work with. There are a whole lot of brands there, you can check out them. One of the favorite brands I like is Canva, because it's actually easy for me to market what they do. So you can check out a whole lot of brands. There are quite a number of brands. The ones that are into education, you can check out their different categories. The ones that are into education, you scroll through and you see what they do. What I normally advise is check out what they have. For example, I talked about Udemy on one of my videos on YouTube. Yeah, I can go ahead and apply for Udemy. Once I get their link, I add that to the video, so you can choose a means to promote your stuff. In as much as you put out free content, whether you decide to promote on YouTube, or you want to just be promoting on your WhatsApp status, or you want to have a blog site and promote there, you can choose a means to promote your stuff. And once you promote and people who are interested in that, who actually find a solution in what you're giving them, then they go ahead and make the payment and use your link to make the payment. And once they do that, you get your commission. Yeah, I think this brand textbooks.com is also a nice brand. The Power MBA is also a nice one. You get up to 3.5 to 5 euro. For me, I normally look out for brands that have higher commissions, so I get paid for a higher price. Yeah, you can see for that of Canva gives up to $80. That of Elementor gives up to $120. So there are a whole lot of other ones that could pay you far better. Okay, let me see. Check out travels. For travels, do you have anyone? You have Connectify, and you have quite a lot of other ones there. So check out the brands that you resonate with, and check out their service directly if they are here, and then you go ahead and subscribe for to become their affiliates. And once you are approved, you can go ahead and start making quite a lot of money from there. So I'm going to stop this video here, and then subsequent videos I'll explain a whole lot of other extra things we might need to know. Part of them would be how do you withdraw, how do you set up your bank account. These things are actually direct, so I would advise you just go ahead and play around them and then see how you can achieve those ones. Just click on the section and then play around this. Some other extra settings that you could do would be here. So before I round up this, I'm going to just quickly log out and try signing in with the new account I just created. Okay, so let me quickly log in with this. Yes, so this is actually what you get to experience when you are signing in as a new person. So you get an indication that an email has been sent there. Congratulations, you signed up to become a partner. So you can go through just this intro and know what to expect, what you are supposed to do. So once you go through the intro, yes, just click on apply. Yeah, you are expected to go ahead and validate your email. So I'm going to quickly do the validation directly on my phone here. So I'm going to just look for the email and do the validation. So once I'm validated, I'll be able to see all this. You can see you are told to complete your profile and get verified. So for now I am not verified on this account, and all I need to get verified is to go and do my email verification. So let me see, do I have the email here? Okay, let me just quickly resend the validation email and see if I would receive that on my phone immediately. Okay, I just got the mail now. Okay, so I'm going to just click that on my phone. Yeah, I don't want to just start logging in here, that's why I didn't bother to do that here. So I'm going to just click that through on my phone to just confirm that. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to reload this, and then I can click on this, and it will take me to the form, the actual form where I get to fill up all the stuffs. Now I want to select my country, be bold and select Nigeria, because you're a Nigerian. Yeah, Nigerians are allowed here. Which website do you want to be using? Yeah, you want to be using your specific website. If you have a website, you can go ahead and use that. If you don't have a website, kindly ignore that part. Fill up your city, fill up your phone number. You're a Nigerian, go ahead and fill up your Nigerian phone number right there. So fill up the phone number there. I'm going to use 234810 that way, and then go ahead and fill up the currency. For me, I want to use USD for this. Now in the previous one I did, I used Naira. If I select the location of the the bank location, if you select Nigeria for example, you'd be able to have Naira here. Okay, so bank location of the country, so you can still select USD there, and then you can also go ahead and select the payment method. I want to receive my payment with PayPal, so if you select the PayPal option, you wouldn't be needing to do all those extra selections there. It will give you the option to select the different currencies that PayPal accept. So for this account I want to use the PayPal option. Yeah, if you use EFT, you'd have to select the bank precisely, but if you're using PayPal option, then you go ahead and select just the currency that way. Yeah, you're a registered tax person. Alright, so if you are doing stuff with tax, you can go ahead and do that. I don't want to use the tax option, so just check on this and then click on save. So once you are sure that you filled up every necessary thing you need to fill up, you can go ahead and click on save, and automatically your account will be set up for you. Okay, so you would have to wait to get your account verified. They would have to send you verification notes to tell you that your account has been verified. For now, you wouldn't be able to see brands, as you can see in this account. In the previous account, I just showed you brands where you get to see a whole lot of brands. Yeah, in this account, when you have not been approved, you wouldn't be able to see brand, and you will be able to start checking out the different brands there. So, and some of the basic settings you'll be doing, you have to do that directly here. So I'm going to just be ending this here, and in subsequent videos, in subsequent classes that would be having, I'm going to dissect every other single thing we need to know about impact and how you can start making money with it directly. Thank you for coming to this class, and I hope to see you guys in the subsequent class we'll be having.